I found some baseball ribbon. It's never even been opened. Then I dug and found these two prints, a denim and another baseball print. I'm going to make a couple of twisted bows. Your loops go under, not over. 2 loops. I'm going to do it to the denim and also to this 1.5 inch baseball print. These are so easy. Once you have both completed, then you're just going to cross one over the other to form 4 loops. And I'm going to secure it with my upholstery thread. Upholstery thread is just the thread that I choose to use. I love it. All right, then I'm going to take the original baseball print and I'm going to do a twisted bow, but I'm going to fold the loop over. It's just like a triple twister, but we're only making one. Then I am going to place it on top of the other 2, secure it once more, put it on a clip, and I'm going to add my knot center.